Good morning, boys. It's Friday, 16th April 2021. We have completed 1 week of work and we are continuing with LCM. Remember we did multiples. We said multiples are when numbers are multiplied by another number. That gives us the multiple. Then we did common multiples. We said the multiples that are common to a group of numbers, two or more numbers, and then we move on to do lowest common multiple. Yesterday we did lowest common multiple of two numbers. Today we're going to be looking at lowest common multiple of three numbers. It's the same process. So the first thing we have to do when we're finding the LCM is to write down the multiples of the number. All right? So let's start writing down. Remember, each number is a multiple of itself. So 3 is a multiple of 3, 4 is a multiple of 4, and 6 is a multiple of 6. Always remember that a number is a multiple of itself. Right. So we're looking at writing down the multiples of 3. So we know that 3 is a multiple of 3, so we have to start with 3. So we're counting in threes, or we're using our 3 timetable. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. We could stop there. Or we could say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We're counting in 4s, or doing the 4 timetable. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Alright? So we see we have 12 and 12 here. So if we start doing 6, by the time we reach to 12, we could stop. We don't have to go any further. So so we start with 12 now. We have 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. By reaching 12, we could stop because we could see that we have the lowest common multiple will be 12 here, 12 here, 12 here. So the LCM of 6, 4, and 3 is equal to 12. Because we don't need to go any further because we see we got 12, we got 12, we got 12. The lowest common multiple. There are more common multiples in the number, but we are looking for the lowest common multiple. Alright? The lowest multiple that is the same in all three numbers. So let's do that now. So the LCM of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. It's 12. 12 is the lowest number. Both 3, 4, and 6 can divide without leaving a remainder, because if 3 goes into 12, we get 4 without a remainder. If 4 divides 12, we get 3 with no remainder. And if 6, we divide 12 by 6, we get 2 without remainder. So the LCM of 6, 4, and 3 is equal to 12. Let's review what we did. We wrote down our multiples. And as I said, if you wrote down here, you see you got 12. You got 12. When you started writing the next one, but by the time you reach 12, you know you have a common multiple between all of them, and this is the lowest common multiple. If you continue, you'll get more multiples, but it wouldn't be the lowest common multiple. You're looking for the lowest one, right? So 12 will be lowest common multiple. So that is what we are doing today, boys. We are finding the LCM of 3 numbers, and this rule can apply to 4 numbers, to 5 numbers, to 6 numbers. We do the same thing to find the LCM. Right? I'll be sending this work in the Google Classroom. You would do it in your book and then put the answer in, select the correct answer in Google Classroom. Good morning, boys.